In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Widevine DRM in Brave browser. By the end, you'll have protected video playback working smoothly on sites that require digital rights management. Widevine is a trusted technology used by many streaming services to securely deliver content. Brave includes it as an optional component, and turning it on is quick and safe. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. If it's already open, you're ready to go. Everything we'll do happens inside Brave's own settings, so there's nothing to download or install separately. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window for the main menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. Click that to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Brave's control center, where you can manage how the browser behaves. Inside Settings, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Extensions. This section is where Brave manages optional features and components. Widevine appears here because it functions like a built-in extension that you can enable or disable depending on your needs. On the Extensions page, locate the Widevine entry. When you find it, toggle the switch to the On position. If the switch is already on, that means Widevine is enabled and you don't need to change anything. Turning this setting on allows sites that rely on DRM to request the keys they need to play protected content. It doesn't change your bookmarks, your privacy settings, or anything else in Brave. After you flip the switch, you may see a prompt asking you to relaunch the browser to apply the change. Go ahead and click Relaunch. Brave will close and reopen quickly, and your tabs should come right back. The relaunch ensures the component loads properly, so video playback works as expected. That's all you need to do. With Widevine enabled, you should be able to watch content on websites that require DRM without additional steps. If a site still asks you to enable DRM, double-check that the toggle is on and that you relaunched when prompted. Also remember that some services have their own region or subscription requirements, which are separate from your browser's settings. A quick note on privacy and control. Enabling Widevine only affects playback of protected media. You can return to the extensions section anytime and turn it off if you don't need it. Brave continues to apply its usual privacy protections, like blocking trackers, while Widevine is enabled. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to enjoy your favorite DRM-protected videos right inside Brave.